Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add GIFs in Capcut. Keep watching the video till the end. To add GIFs in Capcut, firstly go ahead and launch open your Capcut application. Tap on New Project button. Select a photo or video that you'd like to add and you will end up on this page. Now to add GIFs to your video, simply go and tap on sticker button at the bottom of the screen. From the pop-up menu, click on plus button at the top left side. Once you tap on that, it will take you to the camera roll. Select the GIF from the gallery that you have prepared by tapping on it. Place the GIF image anywhere you like on the screen. After you're done, click on tick button. To see GIF working, tap on play button, and that's how you'll be able to add GIF on Capcut quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.